Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamp YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see UG admission notification. Here the university is Central University of Karnataka. The institute is located in Kalaburgi district of Karnataka. You can see that the BTech program here, 33 seats are available in electrical engineering. You can see that the based on CU set also there, but 50% of the seat which has been not filled by CU set, it has been filled by JEE main. So here you can see that the BTech program 36 seats, it is in electronics and communication engineering. So similar here also 50% of seats are admitted through JEE main. You can see that Bachelor of Science, so it is in physics, chemistry and mathematics as well as combination only. You can see that all seats to be filled based on the CU set. So here the 36 seats are available. You can see that Bachelor of English, so here it is in 36 seats are there including economically weaker section. So those who are qualifying 12th standard, those who are writing now exam, they can also apply. So BA in economics honors, so 36 seats are there. So BBA 36 seats are there, and then BSc psychology 36 seats are there. Geography honors, so 36 seats are there, and then geology 36 seats are there. So if you would like to get admission to Central University of Karnataka, you have to apply through CU set. So in the description box I will give the link for CU set. By clicking on that you can get application link, so you can direct it to the CU set site, you can apply there. You have to remember that one thing, when you are applying you need not to give any hard copy, you need not to send any hard copy to the institute. So if you'd like to get more admission notification, please do subscribe to Revamp YouTube channel.